You know what's the meaning of awakening? It's actually you're already using your brain wisely. And even the smallest thing, you already observe and realize something. But we have three different kinds of small or slight, medium, and totally awakened. Slight is those who are opened but not totally seeing the message. Medium, awakened, and mediumly seeing the messages or signs. Then totally awakened, you know already what's wrong and right. So you are walking with the truth already for the total. For slight and medium, not totally walking with the truth. It's light and it's medium. It's common sense. So, it's up to us if we totally awakened. It depends also on our likings. What side we are. What side would we be awakened? That's light, medium, or totally. But the hardest part of being awakened is the total, right? I know someone will resonate with this one. But let's be strong. So to maintain also that totally awakened, don't forget to add God in our life. Spirituality, not only physical. So that you will not come back at that lost in chaos, not awakening or unawakened. God bless to us and good luck. I hope we'll totally awakened from the truth because no one is actually is from this present and past, or I can say before awakening, that is already happening. We are really lost. No leaders, no people, I can say, or no people with status that is walking with the truth. We can say there is, but slight or medium, but the totally awakened. From 100%, I can say 10%. So I hope the 10% would be 50%, right? So that we know what we are fighting for. And we know what we are siding of between good and evil, right?